We'll start our assembly by applying some engine assembly lube to the main bearings. Then we'll install a new Felpro 2-piece rear main seal that we found at Summit Racing Equipment. Following the instructions, the seal is set offset 3/8 of an inch to help prevent leaks. Our crankshaft is dropped in, and the main caps can be installed one by one. Following ARP's instructions, the main bolts are torqued in sequence to 70 pound-feet. With the crank fully installed, we can measure the crankshaft end play, which comes in nicely at 5 thousandths.
Our Molly Power Pack pistons are assembled with the Scat I-beam rods. This is a floating wrist pin design, so the pins are retained by 2 round These locks can be installed easily with a small screwdriver and a measure of patience. 1mm, 1mm, 2mm thin ring pack with a steel Napier second ring and an HV385 steel top ring. The pistons, rings, and cylinder bores are coated with Total Seal assembly lube and are installed with a Summit Racing 4155 piston ring compressor. .8740 rod bolts are loosened and measured for free length, torqued to 45 pound-feet, and measured for the proper amount of stretch.
From the previous build into the new block. Duration at 50 thousandths lift is 252 degrees on the intake and 260 degrees on the exhaust. The lobes are set on a 110-degree lobe separation angle, and lift at the valve is 652 thousandths on the intake and 660 thousandths on the exhaust. Before we install the timing set, we'll tighten down our threaded oil gallery plugs, which is an improvement we made to the block over the stock pressed-in plugs. We're reusing our Trick Flow double roller timing set, and it is mocked up with the ARP cam bolt kit. We are degreeing the cam and setting the intake centerline exactly where it was before at 105.5 degrees, which is 4.5 degrees advanced. Now that we've verified that the cam is in the right spot, we can install the cam button and torque the bolts to 25 pound-feet with orange thread locker applied.